Find the value of n such that x squared minus 12x plus n is a perfect square trinomial. So remember, we were just messing with the perfect square trinomials. If you had p minus 10 squared, remember you square the first term, you multiply them together, multiply by 2 for the middle term, so that would be negative 20p. And then you square the last term. Negative 10 squared would be positive 100. So we're looking for what would that back number have to be. So if you're just given the first two parts, you know that the second part of parentheses, the parentheses is going to be half of this, right? So then you would be like, oh, well, that's negative 10. So how do you get to positive 100? You just square it. So you're going to take this b, you're going to divide it by 2, and then you're going to square it. So what's negative 12 divided by 2? It would be negative 6. But then you got to square it. And negative 6 times negative 6 would be positive 36. So that would be your answer. So now we have x squared plus 22x plus n. Remember, we just take the b, we cut it in half, and then we're going to square it. Half of 22 is 11, and then we square it. What's 11 times 11? 121. So that's going to be our first step to completing the square on our next exam, which I'll wait until the song's over.